Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Acquisition Scheduler program to schedule data captures at specified times of the day. So first off, we need to create the setup that we want to use. So if we run the acquisition software, then if we go to File, Create New Setup, then if we set our first 4 channels to capture, and then we change our sample rate to 10k, and then choose the folder that we want the data to go in. So we call this test01. Now if we can save this setup and call this test.as4. Now we need to ensure in the tools options on the external control tab, we need to make sure that the enable remote scheduled operation option is ticked. Now we've created our setup, we can exit the acquisition software and run the Acquisition Scheduler program. Now, first we need to select the setup file that we want to use. So if we browse to the location of our test.as4, next we can set up the times of each data capture. So if we set up 2 times for a 5-second duration, so if we set one for about a minute's time, and click add to add that, and you'll see it's appeared in the table here. Now if we set another one after that for 20 seconds later, and we can add that to the list as well. Now when you've added all your captures that you want to do for a particular day, you can click the start button, and that will basically sit there waiting until the capture's ready to go. So the acquisition software is now running, so if we can look to see in our acquisition scheduler program that the time is basically counting upwards until it gets to each time in the list of scheduled captures. And you can use a different setup file for each capture if you want to do different captures with different settings. For that you would just need to select a different AS4 file each time you click the add button. Now our time is just getting towards the first capture time, so we can see that now our acquisition software is arming and now it's capturing the data. So when it's completed the 5-second capture, it will return back to the disarm state, and it will wait until it gets to the next time, and now it's gotten to the next data capture. It will do that 5-second capture, and when it's completed that, you can see that on the status that it has actioned both of these data captures, and both of them have been completed. Okay, thanks.